The borage outrage or starflower is an annual herb, grows best in full sun in the ground and can tolerate shade in the afternoon during the hot summer. If you want to transplant, I think this is a good size, about 6 inches in height. What I'm trying to say is transplant them young. I cut and dropped the leaves. There's new growth there already. I also remove the yellow leaves to prevent disease. Is this catnip? Yeah, about this one. Smells like lemon balm. Just a minute. This is a lemon balm that I bought 2 weeks ago. Let me see. Same smell. Yeah. Wow. As far as I can remember, I planted lemon balm in a container. That was before COVID. And why do I have here a volunteer plant? I'm not complaining. Just surprised. The flowers are used in salads and the leaves are cooked as vegetables. I want to try this. It's sweet. I have not used this in the salad. Maybe if I'm going to remove the receptacles. It's quite hairy. The leaves and flowers are used as diuretics, sedatives, for fever, depression, and cough. The flowers and leaves contain a small amount of pyrrolizidine alkaloids, which can damage the liver if in long-term use. The borage oil is 25% of gamma-linoleic acid, which can cause bleeding and seizures when used in very high dose. Dynamic accumulator is a plant that has long taproot, goes down into the soil and absorb minerals and nutrients and store them in their tissues and improves soil fertility. This plant has deep taproot which grows straight down into the soil and can access minerals and nutrients and store in their tissues. That's why it's a good companion plant, because it's a nitrogen fixer and releases calcium, potassium, and phosphorus into the soil. A good companion plant to strawberries, cabbage, tomatoes, and squash. It combats disease such as blossom rot and makes your tomato taste yummy. Would you be kind enough to consider subscribing to my channel, like and share my videos. Enjoy your day.